Good morning, students. Myself Swapnil Bose from Samshakti Vidyaniketan Malda. From today, we are going to start our syllabus. This year, I will teach you history subject, means EVS 2 part EVS Environmental Studies part 2nd. Before start our lecture, I will tell you about our syllabus for this year. Now, this year we have 10 chapters, total 10 chapters. Out of which, for unit test, we have 2 or 3 chapters. Means chapter number 1 to chapter number 3 we are going to study. Then for first term exam we have 5 chapters, means from chapter number 1 to 5. Okay. Then this is for first term examination. Then for the second term we have remaining 5 chapters, means from chapter number 6 to chapter number 10. Okay. So for unit test 2 we have chapter number 6 to 7 or 8. Okay. So either it may be 2 chapters or 3 chapters for the second unit test. Then and for the annual exams or final examination, we have chapter number 6 to 10. Okay, means chapter number 6 to chapter number 10 are for final examination. Okay, so total in environmental studies part 2 we have 10 chapters, out of which 5 chapters are for the first term and remaining 5 chapters are for the second term examination. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus. Now we are going to study the first lesson of our environmental studies part 2. The name of the lesson is what is history. Okay, so chapter number 1, what is history? Now students, last year in EVS part 2 we have studied the events of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You know that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the great king, and we studied lots of events, means how Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj won the different battles during their lifetime. Okay, so we studied the detailed history or detailed event of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So now in environmental studies there are many topics. Means in environmental studies part 1 we studied the science, general science and environmental science, then geography. Okay, and in EVS 2 we study history. So from today we are going to start our syllabus of EVS 2, and the name of the chapter is what is history. Before we start this topic, we should know what it means by history. Now, history means what? Now you know that there are various events occurs every day. So in history we study the events that are past, means they are already happened, okay, in the past. So history is a science when we study the past events. Okay, so first we write this a science that tells us about events in the past. Okay, means now we know that all the events occurs either past, present and future. These are the three periods by which the events occurs. Okay, so now first point of our this chapter is history. What is history? A science that tells us about events in the past. For example, means during the lifetime or during the period of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, we are not born at that time, but we study that event. Means due to history, we are able to know the different events during that time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj period. Okay, so history gives us idea about means the event that occurs in the past, and we know the information of that past events. Okay, so first you should understand what is history. A science that tells us about events in the past. This word is important, past. Okay, so when we want to know about our past, so we study the history. Means for example, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, then our freedom fighters, how we got independence at that period, we know by history. Then Mughal emperors, which are the different Mughal emperors, then Mussolini, etc. Many things, the study of different things we able to know by the history. Okay. So last year in standard 4 we studied the life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his mission of establishing Swaraj. Now you know that many Mavlas and many people are present at that time. They togetherly established a Swaraj at that time. Okay. So the time before the birth of Shivaji Maharaj was about 400 years from today. Means Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. What is the period of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, when he was born in 1630 and the death of Shivaji Maharaj was in 1680. Okay, means at that time or at that period we are not born, but we know the events of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj by studying the history. Okay, so Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj period was 1630 to 1680, means near about 400 years before from today. Okay, so that event occurs 400 years ago. 400 years ago. Okay, so when we study the history, three events are very important. Means the event that occurs in the past, present and future. So we divide events on time in three different ways. In three different ways. Okay, which are the three different ways to know about the events? First one is past, then second one is present, and third one is future. Okay, any event having these three ways: past, present and future. Okay, past means the things which are happens already happened. Okay, it is called as past. The things which are happening nowadays, it is called as present, and the things which are going to happen in the near future or near time, it is called as future. Means we don't know any idea or we don't know anything about the future. Okay, so these are the three events we study or we know. Now first one is past. So how different words are used for measuring or to discuss about these things. First one is past. So which word we use for explaining the past? Some time ago. Some time ago. Then tomorrow. Sorry. Yesterday. Yesterday. Then last year. Okay, we use such different words. Sometime ago, yesterday, last year. It is used for discussing the past events. Okay, then which words we use for explaining the present events? For present events, we use now, today, then this year. Okay, we use this type of word to explain the present event. Okay, and for the future event, what we use? After some time. After some time. Then tomorrow. Next year, etc. So for explaining the future event, we use such type of word. After some time, tomorrow, next year, etc. Okay, means by using such type of words in the sentence, we are able to know the event, whether the event is future event or past event or present event. Understand? Okay. For our convenience, we divide the time in different ways. Often we use words like now, some time ago, yesterday, last year for the past event. Okay. Then now, today, this year, these type of words are used for the present event, and after some time, tomorrow, next year, such type of words are used for the future event. Understand? Okay. So after some time, tomorrow, next year are words that indicate the future. The time that already gone by is the past. So in the history, we discuss about the past events. Now from this, out of these three events, we discuss about the past events in the history. Okay. So the time that have already gone, it is called as history, and the time that we are in now is the present, and the time which is comes near time, it is called as future. The past includes many events that have already taken place. Now we take one example for this. For example, today we are 10 years old. Suppose we are 10 years old at present. Then now I will write here three ways of the events: past, present, and future. Okay. We take one example to know more idea of this, and you get clear idea of the events. Now, for example, today we are 10 years old. Okay. So what happens means in the past, that day of birth means our event of birth is already takes place. That therefore it is a past event, and this is called as day of birth, our day of birth. When it takes place 10 years ago, because today we are 10 years old now. So 10 years ago. Our day of birth is 10 years ago. Now present, we are 10 years old. Okay. Today we are 10 years old. This is the today's event. Understand? This is today's event. And in the future, we shall be 20 years old. So this event, when it occurs after 10 years. Understand? From this example, we get the clear idea about it. Means past event, what is present event, what is future event. Okay. So today we are 10 years old. Then before 10 years, means before 10 years or 10 years ago, we are born. Okay. So that is the day of born. That is the past event. That event is already taken place. Therefore, it is called as past event. And in the present, means now, today we are 10 years old, so therefore this is the present event. And after 10 years means in the future, after 10 years we shall be 20 years old. Okay, means today we are 10 years old, after 10 years we were 20 years old. So that will be future event. Okay, so it takes place after how many days? After 10 years. Okay, so in the today's lecture, you understand that any event having three different ways: past, present, and future. So, when we study the history, which way is very important? Past. Means in the study of history, we discuss about the past events. I already told you that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's lifetime or their events or the work or period of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was taken place 400 years ago. Okay, so therefore that is the past event. That event is already happened. Understand? So the next point of this chapter, the scientific method of history, we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay.